Basic phrases for kids. Family. 1. I love my mom. 2. Dad reads to me. 3. My sister is nice. 4. Brother plays with me. 5. Grandma bakes cookies. 6. Grandpa tells stories. 7. We have fun together. 8. Family hugs are warm. 9. We eat dinner together. 10. I help my family. Friends. 1. I like my friends. 2. We share toys. 3. We play together. 4. Friends are fun. 5. We laugh a lot. 6. I help my friends. 7. We tell stories. 8. Friends are kind. 9. We have fun. 10. Friends are special. School. 1. I learned at school. 2. My teacher is kind. 3. We read books. 4. I write letters. 5. We sing songs. 6. I draw pictures. 7. I count numbers. 8. We play games. 9. I make friends. 10. School is fun. Food. 1. I like apples. 2. Bananas are sweet. 3. Pizza is yummy. 4. Carrots are crunchy. 5. I drink milk. 6. Bread is soft. 7. Ice cream is cold. 8. Cheese is tasty. 9. Water is healthy. 10. I eat cereal. Weather. 1. It is sunny today. 2. The rain is falling. 3. Snowflakes are pretty. 4. The wind is strong. 5. It is cloudy outside. 6. Thunder is loud. 7. I see a rainbow. 8. It is hot today. 9. It is cold outside. 10. The weather is nice. Animals. 1. The dog barks. 2. Cats purr softly. 3. The bird can fly. 4. Fish swim in water. 5. Cows give milk. 6. The lion roars. 7. Rabbits hoop around. 8. Elephants are big. 9. Ducks quack loudly. 10. The horse runs fast. Colors. 1. The sky is blue. 2. Grass is green. 3. Roses are red. 4. The sun is yellow. 5. Oranges are orange. 6. The cat is black. 7. Snow is white. 8. Grapes are purple. 9. The frog is green. 10. My shirt is pink. Toys. 1. I have a doll. 2. My toy car is fast. 3. I play with blocks. 4. My bell bounces high. 5. The train goes choo-choo. 6. My teddy bear is soft. 7. I love my puzzles. 8. My kite flies high. 9. I build with Legos. 10. My bike is fun. Respected friends, love this post. Save this post. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share with as many people as possible. Visit YouTube channel IELTS TOEFL and English Teacher. May God bless all of you. Amen.